Hello everybody, we just took out this television. It's here it is. It's a Samsung. So these are the stickers, and then it's very simple to unbox it. You just pull it out, and then yes. So we installed it. You have to do some updates and things like that. So yeah, we peel off the plastic like this. Voila. Voila, this is the television. We already installed it and we just peeled off the plastic so that the screen is fully working. There are a few parts on it. Voila, 3 HDMI ports, and then on the back, yes, you can see it, it's an Ethernet port. So these are the connections. You also can connect a VESA mount. I think it's 20 on 10 centimeters. So yeah, this is the television itself. So it's very nice. So this is the television, and this is the box. As you can see it is the Crystal UHD U8000F 43-inch. We bought it very cheaply. It's from Samsung, and it has its own operating system. That's the menu. You can install all applications. That's for Belgium. These are all Belgium applications, and you also can connect the HDMI ports with your own player. So yeah, this is the television. That's are the included feeds with it, and then we also have the remote controller. And you can connect the remote controller to your own set-top box. So if you connect something with HDMI, you can enable the connection between it, CEC it calls, and then you can use the top box with the same remote control. So this is the remote control. So yeah, it's not big. It does not has any micro on it, no microphone on it, but yeah, it's quite okay. You always can use your smartphone as a microphone with the applications. So yeah, I believe the operating system on the television from Samsung calls Tizen or something like that. So yeah, it's quite good. So I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. And yeah, I will see you later. Bye bye.